Hi friends, my name is Priyanka and I'm a watercolor artist. Through a series of watercolor tutorials, I bring to you very easy and effective ways of doing beautiful watercolor. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you like it. Also press the bell icon so that you get the notification of each video. So let's get started. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create beautiful flowers using concentrated drops of pigment. We will gently put dots of color, 4 to 5 depending on the number of petals you wish your flower to have, and then with water to spread the pigment to form the petals. Further shading also we do using the same pigment. You will see how easily and quickly beautiful flowers take shape. Normally, I prefer to use 100% cotton cold pressed handmade watercolor paper 300 GSM. But here I am using a 30% cotton cold pressed paper. This is not expensive and absolutely okay for our initial practice. You can take any brand of artist watercolors. When we practice, we use a lot of color and paper. So I will not suggest you to spend a lot on your art supplies in the initial days. But frankly, if you ask me, out of paper, brushes and colors, what should we invest the most? I will always suggest you to invest on good quality watercolor papers. With regular practice, you can easily master this technique and gradually move to using 2 to 3 colors in the same flowers. So coming back to our tutorial, just take a look at the stems and try to create something like this using a free hand. Don't keep your hand too hard and don't worry about any mistakes. There is no right and wrong in the shapes of stems that we're making. So just be relaxed while you're practicing. It is said that watercolor is the most difficult color medium because there's actually no redo in a watercolor. But I think it's also the most beautiful color medium. I'm trying through my channel to give you small tips in each tutorial that will help you learn watercolor easily. I'm putting tutorials regularly on this channel, so subscribe to it if you like it, and let's meet in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.